vibe, baby. Yeah. Let me catch your vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy. Don't have to decide. You do, I do, I don't have to be.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and today I'm coming to you with something different. This cute short curly bob that is super affordable. So if you're interested in getting all the deets about this unit and seeing how I installed it, make sure you keep watching. So dolls, this is my first time collaborating with this company, RPG Hair, and one of the reasons that attracted me to do this review was the fact that this wig is unlike any wig that I have in my collection, and I'm really excited to see what the final results looks like. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video. If this is your first time seeing my face, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. So dolls, I didn't really show you guys the inside of the wig because at this point, you guys, if y'all don't know what the inside of a wig look like, I don't know what to tell you. Watch one of my other videos. But it has the same two combs in the front and back, blah, blah, blah. Y'all already know. Let's see what this look like on. So okay, well, all right, well, wait, okay, it's not ready for prime time just yet. It's not ready for prime time just yet. Yeah, okay. I look like somebody's crazy auntie who'd be like, hey, sugar. Okay, what am I gonna do with this? Okay, it looks like there's some parting space over here already to the left, so I'm already in love because y'all know most of my wigs always have a middle part and I just hate the middle part. So I really appreciate when a wig comes with a side part. So it's not quite defined and there's a track. Okay, so we can't part it right there. Part will have to come up a little bit like this. Okay guys, so since this is a curly unit, I'm gonna just go ahead and do what I normally do with my curly units and wet this. Usually I wash it, but I don't feel like washing this because then it's gonna be really wet and I'm ready to film right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to wet the unit. I'm gonna put it on my mannequin head. Let's go ahead and style it and let's see what we can make out of it. Okay dolls, let me give you a full 360 of what this wig looks like. As you can see, it does come pre-plucked and it is bleached and almost ready to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this wig with my spray bottle, and this is gonna help me be able to sculpt and mold the hair a lot better. And I'm gonna apply some of this Gots to Be Glue kinky or curly mousse that I got, and this is gonna help me to define the curls. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of baby hair in the front and I'm gonna use my Old Faithful Lotta Body foaming mousse, and this is just gonna help the baby hairs lay down. Last, I'm gonna take some of my black wrapping strips and apply this on the top of the wig just to help it dry in place. And I did run out of wrap strips, so I got a little creative and used my elastic band instead. And I'm just wetting the hair, and as you guys can see, these curls are really just coming alive, and I'm applying more of that kinky or curly mousse, and it's really helping to define these curls as well as give it a shine. Last, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this lace off, and as always, you want to cut it as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the lace. Okay, so now the wig looks like it's ready for me to put it on. It did come with an adjustable elastic band, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to the inside of this wig. So as you see, there's like a little clasp, and then you're just gonna slide that in to the hook on one side, and then you're gonna do the same on the other. And it has this, so you could just adjust it to fit your head perfectly. So I'm gonna take the comb that's in the back and I'm gonna tuck it under the elastic band just so it fits a little bit more snug in the back. And then I'm gonna take the comb on the side and then just kind of tuck that on my hair, and that just helps it fit my hair a lot better. Honestly, I was going to lay this down with my Got To Be glue, but honestly I don't even think I need to, because it actually really is fitting my hair really good right now. Let me fix the baby hairs in the front really quickly. Okay, so now if I would have washed this wig, this would have laid down a lot nicer. This is still kind of wet. You know, I'm trying to rush it. I try to rush the drying process, but I think it would have been ideal if I would have washed the wig, set it like how I normally do my curly wigs, and let it dry overnight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take my straightening comb and use this just to flatten down this just a little bit. I just want to flatten it at the root. I really like the curls on this unit. Now, one thing with me, to be honest, I don't like really curly hair on me. So I'm a little kind of, it's weird because it's like I like this, but then I'm like, I don't know. Because it's not like any wig that I own, which is what attracted me to it in the first place. Because, you know, I review all these wigs, honestly, they start looking the same after a while. And I can honestly say that I don't have any wig in my collection that looks like this. And that's why I chose to review it. But I'm not sure if I like myself with short, tight curls. You guys know I usually like to do like a water wave or a deep wave. I don't really do curly because I don't know. I'm real particular about what I like, you know. You guys know I don't do a middle part. But I don't know. I think I'm really gonna need you guys. I'm gonna need y'all opinion on this one. Y'all feeling this? Let me know if y'all feeling this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try and wear this behind the ear. So since I'm gonna do that, I am gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of this Got To Be glue hairspray just to this corner to lay it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of the sideburns out because this is way too thick. Okay, now I think I like this a lot better. What y'all think? But this wig is cute. I like it. It's different. I know it's gonna grow on me. I know by tomorrow I'll probably be in love. And I love how these curls just pop when you wet them. It popped even more when I used that mousse. It really helped to find the curls. And so at least you guys know that if you wash it, the curls are definitely gonna come back, because you saw the curls the hair was straight, and then as soon as I wet it, it just kind of like curled back up. What y'all think? What y'all think? Oh wait. Let me put my earrings on. Okay, so I can't find the left side of my earring. I can only find the right side. So it's one of those earrings that is where it's a regular earring, but it makes it, you put it in the hole and then it does this, you know? So I thought this would have been really cute to wear on this side, but I don't know what this is. So, okay, I'm not sure. This will work. But actually, I think I want to apply a little bit of foundation just to the parting area. So I'm going to just take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to apply it to the parting area and right here at the perimeter. And this hair right here that I flat ironed looks a little bit dry, so I'm going to just wet it a little. Okay, dolls, let me go ahead and give you the tea on this unit. As I mentioned, this wig came from RPG Hair, and this is their 8-inch short curly bob. It is 100% human hair, but dolls, let me tell you, the best thing about this unit is it's only $79. Y'all still here? What are y'all waiting on? Okay. It's only $79. That's a bomb price for this, because that means it's low risk and it could be high reward. I personally think that's a great price for this unit. As you see, the curls on this wig is popping. Let me give y'all a closer look in case y'all didn't catch this the first time. Okay, and it's free shipping worldwide. And as I mentioned, this wig does come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and ready to install. You saw it didn't really take me much of anything to style this wig. And dolls, this is perfect for summer because it's short, it's lightweight, there's no hair on your neck, so you can still be cool while still being a hot girl. So if you are interested in this unit, as always, I'll have all the information in the description box down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week, and the new name as well as the person who submitted that name will be listed right here. But dolls, y'all know before I get out of here, y'all gonna have to help me name this beauty. It's very unique. It needs a bomb name. Go ahead and submit your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you're not part of the Faithful Fam, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And dolls, is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.